Welcome to another episode of Youth Diary. Dermatology deals with the problems of hair, skin and nail. And today we have Dr. Deepa with us. She is a consultant dermatologist. Hello doctor, welcome to our show. Doctor, can you just explain what are the common skin problems that are encountered by the youths?
Adolescent period is a beautiful period in one's life, and adolescent period is associated with so much of body changes, and so that too leads to so much of turmoil in their minds. That is why they are more worried about their cosmetic problems. And the common dermatological problems associated with teens are pimples or acne vulgaris, problems with hair loss, problems with pigmentation, problems of nails, premature graying of hair. These are the common skin problems associated with teens.
Okay. So we'll go to the questions, doctor.
Hello ma'am, I am Nandita. I am from Amrita School of Arts and Science. How much hair loss is considered normal?
Hair loss can be due to many causes. It may be due to nutritional deficiency, it may be due to vitamin deficiencies, it may be due to dandruff, which is a commonest problem encountered in the adolescent age group. As a part of dandruff, there will be scaling of the scalp. Along with that, there will be hair loss and itching of scalp. That can cause so much of psychological problems in the adolescent age group. Then other causes are drug intake, other disorders like endocrine problems, thyroid problems, diabetes, application of so many cosmetics. All these can cause hair loss.
Okay. What about this insufficient nutritional intake, doctor? Will it be causing?
That is a very important cause in the teens, because nowadays, because of lifestyle modifications, because of the fast life, people go in for a lot of fast foods which are deficient in the usual nutritions that one need during the adolescent, especially in the adolescent period. Like vitamins will be depleted, proteins will be deficient, and all the fast foods contain almost white, like maida, white rice, etc. All these white sugars, all these produce a lot of nutritional deficiencies that can cause hair loss, especially in the adolescent age group.
I think nowadays it has become so common that hair straightening and other chemical treatment of hair. Will it be harmful to the hair?
Yeah, in the long run, hair straightening and excessive use of hair cosmetics without giving much care. If you do hair straightening and other hair procedures, you have to care the hair daily. But when one is irregular in such routines, that can cause a lot of hair breakage, hair dryness. You have lustreless hair, or hair won't be shiny, and hair will be brittle, and hair loss can occur.
So how will you manage the hair loss, doctor?
Usually we have to investigate the patient for the cause of hair loss, and you do a lot of investigations, blood investigations, thyroid hormonal levels are checked, and you find out the cause and you treat according to the cause.
Okay. And another thing, nowadays there are a lot of hair oils available in our market. Is it really useful to prevent the hair loss?
Actually, that has a psychological effect only, but medically speaking, it doesn't cause much of improvement in the hair growth.
ഓക്കെ. മറ്റൊരു കാര്യം ഡോക്ടർ, നമ്മുടെ ചില ലേഡീസിൽ നമ്മൾ കുറച്ച് കഷണ്ടി പോലെ കാണാം, ബാൽനസ്. ഈസ് ദർ എനി ട്രീറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് ഫോർ ദാറ്റ്? Medical treatment, or is there any
drugs? Also, normally after 30-35 years of age, one can start developing baldness. That may be genetic. So usually we take a detailed history, see whether if it is genetic, you don't have much of treatment. Otherwise, you can stop the progression of the baldness by giving hair vitamins. And other products are available which will increase the hair growth and which will decrease the hair loss. Thereby we can prevent the progression of the baldness.
Okay, doctor. So we'll see the next question.
Hi ma'am, I'm Srividya from Amrita School of Arts and Science. Ma'am, how to control oily skin?
Oily skin is actually common in adolescent age group, because as a part of hormonal change, one have increased activity of the oil glands or sebaceous glands. So naturally itself there will be a lot of oil secretion in the adolescent age group. Otherwise also we classify skin into different types. That is mainly have a genetic influence. So some persons will have oily skin, some persons will have dry skin, some persons will have combination skin, and some will have sensitive skin. Application of oil-based cosmetics or comedogenic substances will occlude the skin pores, and that can lead to so many skin problems, especially that will exacerbate acne in an acne-prone skin. And you'll have seborrhea, increased oiliness of the scalp and hair. That will lead on to seborrheic dermatitis, which is an excessive form of dandruff. Dandruff is actually a normal phenomenon which no one has to worry about actually, but when it becomes excessive, that is with increased itching of the scalp, increased hair loss, and development of small follicle-like lesions or small pimples on the scalp, all these are due to excessive application of oil on the scalp and skin. So oily skin, persons who have oily skin have to take care of their diet. They have to avoid oil-rich food, that is pastries, all sugary drinks, fried foods, everything should be avoided, and they have to use plenty of fruits and vegetables, especially fruits rich in vitamin C. Should be used, green leafy vegetables should be used. They have to drink plenty of water. All this will make your skin beautiful.